How to order on Wendys app. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Wendys. And make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you are in here, tap on order at the bottom. From here, select whether to pick up your food or get it delivered. Now choose the category of the item that you want to buy. Select the specific items from here. Select the quantity and then tap on add. Review your order and then click on checkout. Now in this page, you will need to enter your informations. First of all, enter your pickup location. And then tap on payment method. Select the payment method which is suitable for you. And then make the payment of your order. Once the payment is done, you have to tap on place order. And then your order will be placed successfully. Within a certain period of time, the order that you have just made will be delivered to you. So that's it, and this is simply how you can order on Wendys app. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.